Welcome to today's discussion on a common issue many Flutter developers face when trying to upgrade their SDK version in IntelliJ IDEA. Have you ever encountered an error when attempting to update your Flutter only to find that your emulator is no longer functioning correctly? You're not alone. This problem can be frustrating and time-consuming to resolve. In this video, we'll delve into the reasons behind this issue and explore a step-by-step solution to get you back on track. So, why does this error occur in the first place? The root cause lies in the way IntelliJ IDEA manages dependencies and configurations for Flutter project. When you upgrade your Flutter SDK version, IDX needs to update its internal configurations and dependencies accordingly. However, sometimes this process doesn't go as smoothly as expected. Imagine your Flutter project as a complex machine with many interconnected parts. Each part represents a dependency or configuration that needs to work harmoniously with others. When you upgrade your SDK, it's like replacing a critical component in the machine. IDEX needs to reconfigure and recalibrate all other components to ensure seamless integration. If this process fails, your emulator may become incompatible with the new SDK version, resulting in errors. To resolve this issue, let's break down the solution into smaller steps. 1. Back up your project before making any changes. It's essential to back up your entire project. This will allow you to revert to a previous state if anything goes wrong. 2. Delete the IDEA directory. The IDEA directory contains IDEX's internal configurations for your project. Deleting this directory forces IDX to recreate these configurations from scratch, ensuring they're compatible with the new SDK version. 3. Invalidate the cache and restart IDX sometimes. IDX's cache can become outdated or corrupted, causing issues with the upgrade process. Invalidating the cache and restarting IDX ensures a fresh start. 4. Re-import your project in IDX after deleting the IDEA directory and invalidating the cache. Re-import your project into IDX. This step allows IDE to recreate its internal configurations and dependencies based on the new SDK version. 5. Verify your emulator configuration finally. Verify that your emulator is correctly configured for the new SDK version. To summarize, the error occurs due to misconfigured dependencies or configurations in IDXs. Back up your project before making any changes. Delete the IDEA directory and invalidate the cache to ensure a fresh start. Re-import your project into IDX after deleting the IDEA directory and invalidating the cache. Verify your emulator configuration for compatibility with the new SDK version. In resolving errors that occur when upgrading Flutter SDK versions in IntelliJ IDEA requires patience, attention to detail, and a clear understanding of the underlying issue. By following these steps, you'll be able to resolve this problem and get back to developing amazing apps. If you have any questions or comments about this topic, please leave them below. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and consider subscribing for more content on mobile app development and Flutter.